Hi, I am Dr. Elizabeth Samantha Rothschild, doing a little catching up here. I was doing a recording, but you know what? My Hewlett Packard microphone sounds horrible. I don't even think that could be mastered, those recordings. So since I didn't bring my mic to plug in, I'm going to skip that part, the singing part, and just make this announcement. Corporate Law and Securities, CLAS Inc. Holdings, has made it to Goldman Sachs. Yes, that's right. Goldman Sachs. I'm excited about that. So I wanted to share that news about Goldman Sachs. So, according to Goldman Sachs, liquidity is a need of investors. Corporate Law and Securities Incorporated looks forward to enjoying accomplishment through our United States Treasury financial experience. Our institution is U.S. Department of the Treasury Internal Revenue Service, CLAS Inc. Holdings. We have undisclosed exponential fund imbalance. So we are at our administrative strategy with the company. So after I get these budgets done, departmental budgets and the fiduciary expenses together so that we can account for the corporate expenditures, then we will go into the administrative process to deposit the money owed and due immediately to Corporate Law and Securities Incorporated, of which I am the founder and chief executive officer, and the chief operations officer is Dr. Monica Jones, Esquire. We are perpetual on the executive board of directors and very excited about it. And this could not have happened at a better time. Goldman Sachs came just in time for where our church parish, Annunciation Holy Catholic and Apostolic Parish, has acquired pastor's quarters for the parish, and we are moving in. So I've just got a couple of days left at the Patricia Handy Place shelter. Very excited. So I use the word scary very loosely, like, oh, I'm scared. But it's not a fear for uh, moving as it is a reverence for new horizons. So I'm very excited. When I get home, I'll complete those departmental budgets and the accounts will be set up by the IRS at that time for transactions. I'm excited. In the meantime, I'll be at home in the parish, and should anything be discerned by my mommy, Dr. Monica Jones, Esquire, as a security breach, then my moving would be delayed. And if so, I have the departmental budgets to work on in the meantime while I'm waiting. However, I don't foresee any security issues. The final decision is with my mommy. All right, you all have a great evening.